Gentlemen, quick question. How many times have you been told eggs are the ultimate muscle food? Pretty much every morning show, health article, and well-meaning friend says the same thing, right? But what if I told you there are 4 humble nuts that, when used correctly, can actually outperform eggs for muscle building, especially after 50? Yes, 4 simple, affordable, easy-to-access nuts that quietly repair muscle tissue, support your joints, improve circulation, and even help with digestion. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you how to easily add these into your daily routine so your muscles stay strong, your energy lasts longer, and you feel confident in your own body naturally without heavy meals or expensive supplements. And before we jump in, if you're watching this right now, hit that like button, comment below where are you watching from, and subscribe for practical science-backed tips on staying strong, energetic, and independent as we age. Here's the thing. Eggs have long been hailed as the gold standard of protein. And yes, they're convenient, affordable, and packed with amino acids. But the truth most people don't hear is that after 50, your muscles respond differently. You need more than just protein. You need nutrient density, bioavailability, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Relying on eggs alone can actually leave gaps in your nutrition, especially when it comes to supporting joint health, muscle recovery, hormone balance, heart, and brain function. These are all essential for keeping you bright, mobile, and independent as you age. That's why I love these 4 nuts: almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews. They combine protein, healthy fats, micronutrients, and antioxidants to do what eggs alone cannot. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and for the past 5 years, I've specialized in men's health and strength after 50. I've helped hundreds of men regain energy, rebuild muscle, and move with confidence, all without expensive supplements or complex meal plans. The secret? Simple, nutrient-dense foods that your body recognizes and uses immediately to repair, rebuild, and fuel muscles, joints, and connective tissue. These 4 nuts are exactly that. They're gentle, practical, and easy to include in your day-to-day routine. Before we dive into the nuts themselves, let's talk about the biggest mistakes men over 50 make when trying to preserve muscle. Mistake number 1, eating protein without variety. Your muscles need more than just eggs or shakes. They acquire a range of amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds to rebuild efficiently. Without variety, your strength plateaus and your recovery slows. Mistake number 2, ignoring micronutrients. Magnesium, zinc, potassium, omega-3s, and antioxidants are not optional. They're essential. Skipping these nutrients leads to muscle cramps, slow recovery, fatigue, and even slower metabolism. Mistake number 3, overlooking practicality. Many men think they need complicated recipes or expensive meals to get results, but consistency beats complexity. You can get amazing benefits from small, easy daily changes. Now, let's talk about the 4 nuts that can change the game. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a quiet powerhouse for older adults. Protein supports muscle maintenance. Magnesium helps muscles contract and recover efficiently. Vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that reduces inflammation after activity or minor injuries. Biologically, magnesium and protein together help your muscles rebuild and function properly. Without magnesium, protein can't do its job fully. Emotionally, less post-activity soreness, more mobility, and the confidence to move freely. Practically, just 10 to 12 almonds a day, raw, in yogurt, or blended into smoothies. Quick, easy, and satisfying, especially if your appetite isn't what it used to be. Rotate your almond intake throughout the week to keep it interesting. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or roasted veggies for variety. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are the multitasker of nuts, famous for brain health, but just as powerful for muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce joint inflammation and improve connective tissue health. Arginine, an amino acid that improves blood flow to muscles. Biologically, better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, enhancing repair and performance. Emotionally, less stiffness, improved endurance, easier daily activity. Practically, show pinto oatmeal, sprinkle on roasted vegetables, or eat as a snack. Just a few walnuts a day support both brain and muscle health. Fun fact, walnuts make movement easier without extra effort. They're like a quiet boost for your whole system. 3. Pistachios. These little green gems are high protein, nutrient-dense, and calorie-efficient. Complete protein contains all 9 essential amino acids, potassium, and vitamin B6. Supports electrolyte balance and protein metabolism. Biologically provides everything your body needs to maintain and repair muscle efficiently. Emotionally, portion-controlled, fun-tote, and satisfying. Reduces cravings and boosts energy. Practically great ASA small afternoon snack tossed on oatmeal or in yogurt. Opt for unsalted or lightly salted to protect blood pressure. Many men are surprised that these little nuts rival eggs for muscle-building potential per calorie. 4. Cashews. Cashews are the hidden gem of muscle-up supporting nuts. Zinc supports tissue repair, hormone balance, and immune function. Healthy fats and protein provide stable energy without heaviness. Biologically, zinc is key for repairing muscles and maintaining testosterone, which naturally declines with age. Emotionally, helps you feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. Practically blend into smoothies, spread as cashew butter, or toss into a stir-fry. Mild flavor and soft texture make them easy to digest even if your stomach is sensitive. You might be wondering, can I really just eat a handful of nuts a day and build muscle? The answer, yes, if you're consistent, and pair them with smart movement and other nutrient-rich foods. The beauty of these 4 nuts is not just their nutrition. They're gentle, accessible, and practical. You don't need cooking skills or fancy recipes. Just include a small handful daily. Rotate them and combine with your meals or snacks. Gentlemen, here's what I want you to remember. Your body still wants to be strong even after 50. Muscle maintenance isn't about extremes. It's about giving your body the right tools consistently. Small intentional changes, like adding a handful of almonds, walnuts, pistachios, or cashews, can boost strength, energy, and confidence. Even just a small daily habit can make a measurable difference in mobility, balance, and independence. Here's your action plan. Pick 2 to 3 of these nuts and rotate them through your meals this week. Add them to breakfast, snacks, or meals instead of processed foods. Pair with gentle movement to maximize muscle repair and strength. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more daily tips, or Jaqua, and let me know in the comments, which of these 4 nuts will you try first? Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, consistent changes to your nutrition can bring freedom, confidence, and strength back into your life. Start today, and your body will thank you for years to come. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter. Take care of your body, nourish it with purpose, and keep moving strong.